Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to talk about most investors' dream stock Bajaj Finance. It was the best investor stock in last decade. Look at the big run it has seen in last 10 years. In 2008, uh, when a great recession period, it has corrected 90% from the peak. 2008 Jan peak around or just above 50. From that level, it has corrected all the way to 4.7 to 4.8. Stock was splitted, so that is the reason I'm saying a splitted rates. The real bull journey was started in March 2009. Then at that level it has reached to 4,900 plus. It is about 1,000 times higher. No investors can even dream that. Who will dream 10k will become 1 crore in 10 years? But it did it. It was not one way rally. It has given more corrections, 10 to 20% of on who bought in all dips made huge money. But what happened from February 2020? In less than 2 months, it has corrected 60%. Earlier, 3,800 was acted as support. That support has taken out effortlessly. The interesting thing in last 20 days actions from recent low Nifty rallied 20%, where this Bajaj Finance is down 5% from recent low. In all previous corrections, it was falling with market, and whenever market has recovered, this stock outperform in big way. But that not time, this time it is not. Why it is? In last couple of weeks, it held 2000 levels and tried to bounce, but all the rallies has seen sold into. It had just held 2000 level just because of market supported, and the last trading day it has given up the 2000 mark. Look at the volume. It has seen big record volume in last couple of weeks. This kind of the volume stack never seen in the past. Unfortunately, it came in. Stock is falling, volume is increasing. Indicates stock is big pressure. So that is all the investors who are invested at the lower levels, maybe 50, 100, 500, they are all exiting the stock. Only the who are waiting to dip to buy, who bought in dips or lower levels, I mean from peak lower levels, maybe 3,000, 3,500, 2,500, they stuck here or else they bought at lower levels. But all big investors is exiting stock, and now it is what 1900 will immediate support will come. I think that 1900 it will go maybe few sessions. We may see some bounce, maybe 3%, 5% in counter rally, maybe 10% also, but this stock will not recover, will not go for it glorious days. Why it is that? You look at that the business culture of this company. This is a NBFC and all unsecured loans. Just if you have bank statement and PAN card, it will deliver good to your home even without paying a single EMI. Of course, if you are an existing customers, we will take consumer goods in EMI. Most of our most are middle and lower middle class people. They include drivers, factory workers, etc. And if one paid EMI regularly, it has given pre-approved loan. So of course that is also unsecured. And you know what is the financial status of middle class and lower middle class people now? Uh, that loan are in risk now. I don't think company able to most of his existing loans. Of course, those are customers may be genuine, but if you don't have anything in your hand, how can you able to pay? So, company may declare big NPA, and its business culture will be disturbed. So they may not able to give loans they used to do. If they're not able to give loans, so their sales will go down, profit will go down. So what you are talking about that quality of the stocks, so that is so technically is weak in fundamentally view it looks weak. So this stock you don't touch it. Look at this company. So PE now it is 23, price to book 6. So it came 60%. So okay, stock was came down. So that is P was above 15. Now came 23. Book value was 15. Now 6. Okay, so don't touch this stock now. It time may come, maybe 1500, 1200. Let give the clue. Let you will get some clues. Even sometimes you may get much higher price than this. Even 2500 or 3000. You may buy it. You should, but don't buy now. Don't buy an hope. When you are buying an hope, so that is you will be finished. Even I don't to think that these stocks will see big rally even 3000 also. Of course we may see even 1500, 1200 also. It is very much possible. Just avoid stock. It is big no stock. Don't invest. So if you want to invest stock, look at that one which was less corrected and outperforming, like HUL, Asian Paints, Dabur, these kind of a consumer consumption stocks, FMCG stock. Look at stocks, those kind of a stock. Don't confuse Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Financial Service. So those are different culture of business. Bajaj Finance is purely NBFC and retail lending stocks. Bajaj Finance is something different. That is better than Bajaj Finance now. This is about Bajaj Finance. We'll catch you on next video. Bye.